Boys and girls, today we're going to look at winter and we're going to talk about the PowerPoint that Miss Larkin sent you last week, and I'm just going to attach it to your class story here as well. So winter has a lot of different types of weather. So look at here, we have fog. So when it's foggy, it's really dark and you cannot see. Okay, it's really hard to see, and your parents would have to put fog lights on, special lights on the car for you to be able to see. Okay, so there's more. Fog. It is foggy. Today is foggy. We cannot see. Frosty. So when it's frosty, the weather is so cold that there's ice on the ground. And what can happen, you have to be really careful because you might slip on the ground because it would be icy on the ground. So frost, frosty. So there's frost on the plants. So on a frosty morning, there would be frost on the plants, and there would be frost on the trees and frost on the ground. And you might slip on the ice. Okay, we're not going to talk about clothes today. So there's ice. So it's frosty and it's icy and it's really, really cold. So there's icicles, because it's icy. This person, now this is not relevant here because he's skiing because it's snowy. Now if you're going to ski, you're generally up on high mountains because it has snowed. Now, if it has snowed, now it snowed a little bit over Christmas, but not much. But you can make a snowball. Who likes to play with snowballs and to have snowball fights? Or you could build a snowman. Now, we didn't get enough snow for snowmen this year, but you never know, it could snow yet. So there's the trees. So what happened to these trees? I know your teacher talked to you about deciduous trees lose their leaves in autumn, and then because there's not a lot of food during the winter because the ground is so cold, so the trees lose their leaves in autumn. So they're bare leaf trees. And then if it snows, you can see the snow on the trees. Another thing that happens, well, it happens in Ireland all year round, but especially in winter, it is rainy. So today is it is raining and wet. So it is raining. And look at this man, he has an umbrella because it is raining and wet. Cold. Winter is generally cold. The summer is hot, but as winter is cold, so we like hot drinks and we wear warm clothes. We'll talk about the clothes another day. So winter, now we don't see a lot of snow in winter, but we see a lot of rain, ice, a lot of ice, and sometimes a lot of fog as well. So there's a couple of different types of weather. So we have the rainy winter, and now we have the snowy winter. Sometimes we can have a snowy winter. In Poland, you're probably, in places like that, you're more likely, and Sweden and Germany and Switzerland, you're more likely to see snow. We don't see as much snow as other countries. That's a foggy winter day, isn't it? Foggy. Winter, so we are cold in winter.